Welcome back, everyone. If you could please like and subscribe, I would really appreciate it. So in today's video, we're going to talk all about the super clamp and what makes it super. So a super clamp is essentially something with a jaw on it that you can lock down onto a pipe or maybe onto the side of a light stand or really anywhere. And then it has a 5/8 receiver on it that you can put things into. Now you could place it on top of a light stand and then you could use this in order to secure a crossbar for a backdrop. Another thing that you could do is once you put this stud in here, and I've actually got a ball head over here with the stud still attached, you could place a tripod head into the super clamp and then you could lock this down onto a railing. When I was a photojournalist, I used this trick quite often because it was a great way to have a tripod in a very small confined space. You also could use this on, let's say, a film set to add a fourth camera or something like that to the rafters, sort of, or maybe on sports. You could use it to mount a camera at a basketball game, perhaps looking straight down on the basket, something like that. The other thing you could do with the super clamp and the stud is you could attach a grip head like this one right here. And then you could attach that to a light stand or a pipe or a railing or any of those things, and it would give you a lot of versatility, and you could do all the things that the 2.5-inch grip head can do. If you're interested in more about this, look for the video which I will link to right now or below. So now you could also take one of these hooks like this, and this will allow you to either hold on to the crossbar for a backdrop, if you will. You could just put this onto a light stand and then the backdrop crossbar goes right in here. You could also use this to hold up anything. Maybe it's a long cable or something that you want to have neatly attached to a light stand, or you could use it to hang off a strobe power pack, something like that. This is actually the reason, that's actually the reason why I bought these back when I shot pro photo. Now, the other thing you can do with a super clamp is you can actually attach a super clamp to a super clamp. And you're probably wondering, why would I do this? But if you take this specialty stud, you can then place the super clamp on here at a 90-degree angle, or the second super clamp at a 90-degree angle to the first one. And the reason for that is this will allow you to do all sorts of things in sort of rigging and filmmaking or lighting where maybe you need to have a pipe going between two objects in order to put a light off of it. Well, this is how you would do that. You would attach this to a stand or a vertical pipe in a warehouse or something, and then you would place your own pipe across here and then put lighting on it or hang other things. Oh, and one last thing. So most of the time the super clamps come with this lever, and this is very helpful because you can get a lot of leverage and tighten it down really well. Now sometimes super clamps will have this sort of tightening knob, and that works well too. It takes up less space, but the side effect is that I don't think you get as good of a grip as you do with the lever. Anyway, guys, I hope that all made sense. If you have any questions or comments about super clamps, just leave it below. And as always, stay safe, take care, and I'll talk to you soon.